If you're trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Europe, CoinFloor and Coin Corner might be on your radar, but how reliable are they? Here's my personal experience. CoinFloor is one of the oldest crypto exchanges in the UK, focusing on security and compliance. Coin Corner, meanwhile, is user-friendly and aimed at beginners. Most people get this wrong. They think all exchanges are the same, but each has different strengths. CoinFloor is excellent for high-volume traders who value security, while Coin Corner is ideal for simple buying, selling, and sending crypto. Getting started on both platforms is simple. You create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds. CoinFloor uses bank transfers for GBP deposits, while Coin Corner supports debit card payments and even PayPal in some regions. Both platforms provide intuitive interfaces, but CoinFloor offers more advanced features like limit orders and market data, whereas Coin Corner focuses on simplicity. Security is a highlight. CoinFloor stores the majority of funds in cold storage and uses multi-signature wallets, making it highly secure. Coin Corner also implements strong security measures, including two-factor authentication. Withdrawals and deposits are generally smooth, though bank transfers can take a day or two. One limitation is fees. CoinFloor's trading fees are competitive for professional traders, but Coin Corner charges slightly higher fees for convenience and simplicity. Advanced traders may prefer CoinFloor, while beginners will appreciate Coin Corner's streamlined experience. In conclusion, both CoinFloor and Coin Corner serve different needs. CoinFloor is perfect for security-conscious, high-volume traders, while Coin Corner is excellent for beginners looking to buy and hold crypto easily. Choosing depends on your trading style and priorities. Subscribe for more crypto exchange reviews, trading strategies, and tips to keep your digital assets safe.